Hello, my name is Nadiya Boyko. I'm professor, scientist, and co-founder of Ediens, an innovative company merging biotechnology, personalized medicine, and artificial intelligence. Today, I'm honored to present our vision and mission to WomenTech Europe, seeking for support to drive groundbreaking advancement in individual human health through microbiome science and algorithm-powered precise diagnostics. Personalized medicine is still overlooked in modern healthcare. 80% of chronic diseases are linked to microbiome imbalances, yet personalized solutions remain inaccessible. Individual health is specifically determined by hormonal, immune, and metabolic disruptions influenced by their microbiome. At the Ediens, we are changing this through precise microbiome diagnostics and personalized solutions. We have developed revolutionary algorithm-driven platform that analyzes individual microbiome compositions and provide tailored recommendations for nutrition, pharmabiotics, and lifestyle adjustments. So Ediens performs proposed creates personalized microbiome diagnostics as our unique algorithm for microbiome analysis. Innovative microbiome restoration strategies with applying of our own pharmabiotics composed after clinical trials and our individual nutritional plan, digital health tracker, integration platform for continuous health monitoring and lifestyle correction and support. With the WomenTech Europe grant, we will scale up our research focused on individual human health, expand our team of women innovators in biotech and algorithm, integrate algorithm-powered precise diagnostics into global healthcare platforms, develop education programs in microbiome research for different targeted groups of populations, citizens, doctors, and healthcare managers. And why us? At Ediens, we are not just building a company. We are leading a movement transforming healthcare, empowering women in science and technology, and making precision medicine accessible. Join us in building the future of individual healthcare international system.